Hi everybody, Lorraine here. It is time to do the drawing for my August giveaway. I have a basket full of names. I had 20 entries for it. And I just need to draw somebody. Oh, they're falling all over. Let's see, who's it gonna be? Okay, I'm gonna reach in, I don't wanna look at it, and I'm gonna draw this one. Okay, Joyce Davidson, August giveaway number 1. Congratulations, Joyce, you are the winner. Where did I put them? I believe that this was number 1. Congratulations, Joyce Davison. You've won. Send me a comment. We'll get together and I'll get your address and we will send this to you. I'm very excited for you. Thanks for playing along with me. I had quite a few people enter the drawing. I'd like to do this another time and give away another one of my paintings. I appreciate all of your support. Thanks, everyone. Bye.